Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Aura, a deal that just came back to AppSumo and they are pre-established and I have been using that tool for long to organize my own project management activity. So this is a next generation instant message and task management rolled into one centralized hub. They just released their new version, so they are going to uh, share their enterprise plan on AppSumo again, and now you can even stack up to 10 codes instead of 5. That was the previous deals. You got video shares, team chat, unlimited projects and tasks. And the difference here is if you stack more codes, you're gonna get more users. Okay, but you have unlimited observers. So you can invite guests to check out your projects, but your team members, you have a limit of 2 per codes. I'm going to show you how the tool works and the tool works. They are different. They just released the new version and I was impressed. They have PDF, viewer, and different tools. You can see I have 2 projects here. So I'm going to show you where you're going to stack your codes. You go on account settings and you can see here on billing. Okay. So here you can see I have an enterprise lifetime for 10 users, and here you can add more codes. So I'm gonna show you the projects. Here you can choose between different projects and you can create new ones, and you will earn a personal project as well and the one related to your team. You create one team, one workspace team per deal, but you get a personal one. So you can see here I have my personal, and here I just created my Berkeley workflow with that deal. And you can see here they have a PDF viewer, okay? To check out the image is better now, so to see all your files. So here I have plenty of files, so you can see how it works. Just go and click on the arrow and you can see everything, okay? And if you need to read a PDF, just click on it and the tool will show the PDF. Okay. You change between projects just clicking on the tab on the left, okay? Here it was like taking printing screen of Facebook ad so I can inspire myself. And they have several templates that you can use to create new projects. So if you click here and you click new projects, so you can choose between different templates, to-do list, simple pipeline, simple board, different softwares. They have Scrum, Kanban, sales pipeline, event planning, editorial. I'm using the editorial one on that project here. So here's the editorial templates that I'm using. So the tool is pretty fast and it's maybe like the most beautiful project management tool out there. So there are functionalities that are still missing, but they are really, really beautiful. And they have now the app, so you can check everything using their apps. And it's pretty nice, pretty nice. Here you have the reports, a timeline, and your agenda. Okay? And here your projects. So that's the Aura, and that's how the new update looks like. The tool is working faster and smoothly. And also you can read the PDFs, and even if you bought the deal previously, you can stack more codes now. You can stack up to 10. Okay? I hope you like that review. If you like that review, please click on the link below and help me to keep going. Bye.